Okay, today we have another apartment tour coming in from Tbilisi, Georgia. So, we rented this as a staycation for our Christmas, right? So here in Georgia, they celebrate Christmas on January 6th. Because I am from the U.S., I celebrate it on December 25th. So I want to do something different since we are on curfew and lockdown here. I wanted to, just get out of our regular apartment. So I booked this 3-bedroom, 1.5-bath AirBNB. So here's the half bath right off the door. Looks pretty modern. And then we have the next bathroom here. So you have a washing machine, toilet. I don't know. I know it's to wash your butt after you poop, but I've never used it. Apparently it's pretty common in Europe. I'm used to the sprayers, right, that you find all over Asia, but I have not used this yet. I'm not entirely sure how to use it, but as we get into Europe, I'm sure I'll figure it out. So this apartment has 3 beds, 1.5 baths, and 3 balconies plus a rooftop terrace. So this is the first balcony right off the bathroom. You can see some of the mountains in the distance. And let's see, this leads to one of the bedrooms. That's the door into one of the bedrooms, and this is a window into the second bedroom, but I'll go back in there in a minute. And a little window into the other half bath. Okay, so here's the first bedroom. Again, that balcony that I was just out on, the door access is here along with the window. Each room has its own aircon unit. Okay, and then the second bedroom. With a desk, which would be good for working. I didn't do any work here, but you could. So that is the balcony, the first balcony. And then here's the door to the second balcony with a window. See if I can go out here. Oops. Okay, so this is from the second balcony. It's really long. So you have door to the bedroom 2, window to bedroom 2, door to bedroom 3, window to bedroom 3, and then door to the living room. So it's, again, really long. We are in the district of, and I'm probably going to slaughter how it's actually pronounced, but Saburtalo is where we are. We're right across from the Red Garden and Bernard's, if you know that restaurant. Delicious. I highly recommend their Concalis there. Okay, so here's the third bedroom. Again, that's the balcony I was just on. Has lots of storage. Another desk if you wanted to work. This is the first time I've seen this in an Airbnb, a whiteboard. Oh yeah, and again it has its own, oh you can't, oh that lighting's bad. There you go, has its own aircon unit. Each of the bedrooms does. Plus the living room, dining room. Okay, I was really excited for this. The kitchen has all this counter space. Okay. So, and an oven, and then this, whoops. That looks like a cabinet, but it's actually the refrigerator. And then the freezer, which that's like super fancy. Dining table. That's the third balcony, which I couldn't get the door to open, so I won't go out there. The living room. This furniture has definitely seen some better days. We ended up putting blankets down because I wasn't about to lay on that by itself. Okay, so that's the 3 bedrooms, the 3 balconies, the 1.5 bath. Now we have, oh gosh, that is bright. This little half floor, complete with the Christmas tree. Lots of windows. If it was nicer out, we'd probably do a barbecue. Up on, this leads to the rooftop terrace. This is so cool. This is actually kind of what sold us on this place, whereas this rooftop terrace. Okay, so you have your own little swing thing. This is supposed to have a faucet. They might have, I don't know, taken off because of winter maybe. But you could definitely, do your barbecue right here, prepare all your food. Yeah, this great space. You have some outlets out there so you could work from here, which would be cool. Now, all of this costs, oh, hold on. There you go, and you have that view from the balcony. So all of this costs $26 a night. We stayed here for 3 nights. It was labeled as a penthouse, and we really they had the modern kitchen, the modern bathrooms, this rooftop terrace, the 3 balconies, awesome. However, I would not stay here. Again, as you can see, the furniture in the living room wasn't the greatest. If you look closer at the walls, they're stained, or there's some water damage to it. But the worst thing, and I can actually smell it up here, are the drains here. They smell absolutely awful. If I don't know how to put it into words how bad these drains smell. Sewage that has been left out in the sun rotting for 3 weeks. It is miserable. So while I was super excited for the big kitchen so I could cook, oops, there we go. The inside being modern, the outside is an older building. I would definitely not stay here again because I cannot stand that smell and just the overall, just it needs a little TLC, little tender love and care in different areas. It definitely has a lot of potential, but I would not stay here again. Okay, that is it. Merry Christmas, or whenever you see this video. Like, subscribe, comment for more unique travel adventures from Tbilisi.